The biggest mistake hikers make at Mount Rainier isn't the elevation gain. It's ignoring the strict new timed entry system that turns people away at the gate. Mount Rainier is a massive stratovolcano with two main access points, Paradise in the south and Sunrise in the north. Both are roughly a 2.5-hour drive from Seattle, but they offer completely different hiking experiences and climates. Access has changed. To enter between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. from late May to September, you now need a timed entry reservation plus your standard park pass. If you miss a slot, you must arrive before 7 a.m. or after 3 p.m. At Paradise, the headline hike is the Skyline Trail. It's a 5.5-mile loop gaining 1,700 feet. It is steep, crowded, and exposed, but offers the finest wildflower meadows in the entire park system. For lower effort, take the paved path to Myrtle Falls or the 1.2-mile Nisqually Vista Loop for glacier views. Be warned, Paradise parking lots often reach capacity by 9 a.m. on summer weekends. Sunrise offers a stark contrast. Sitting at 6,400 feet, it places you face-to-face with the northeast flank. The terrain here is alpine tundra, drier, rockier, and much colder than the lush meadows of Paradise. The Burroughs Mountain Trail is the main draw here. The first Burroughs is 4.7 miles round trip. Push to the second Burroughs for a 7-mile day. You are hiking directly on the volcano's rocky flank. Timing is critical. In June, most trails are still buried in snow. The famous wildflower explosion hits late July through mid-August. By October, heavy snow returns, closing the Sunrise Road for the winter. Rainier creates its own weather. It can be sunny in Seattle, but a complete whiteout at Paradise. Always check the NPS webcams the morning of your trip. If the mountain is hidden, hike the lower elevation Silver Falls Loop instead. Budget for the $30 vehicle entry fee, or use an America the Beautiful pass. There is no gas or food at Sunrise, and limited options at Paradise, so pack all water and calories you need before entering the park. Here is your planning checklist. Secure reservations 3 months in advance. Download offline maps as cell service is non-existent. And aim for a midweek trip to avoid the congestion. Respect the mountain, pack layers, and download your maps offline.